But picture the kind of consumption tax it is. I'm gonna borrow a couple phones here, just so I could. Let me borrow your phone too, just so I could show something. This is the wholesale company. This is the retail company. This is the consumer. This is VAT. This guy will import good. Let's say it costs $10. He'll import it. He will do some stuff with it because he has to put it on the shelf and he has to pay his accountant, he has to pay his... That's a value he adds to it. He will stock it on his shelf. When he imports it, he'll pay his 15%. Government gets that. 15% is done. When he sells it here, he will add in all his costs. He will add in all his profits. He'll add in everything to that. And this guy, the retailer, will buy it from him and pay his 15%. But this retailer, first, this guy, the wholesaler, he got his tax back because he put it in this price for the retailer. It's back. The retailer, when he buys it, will get a credit for what this guy paid. So although he's being taxed at 15%, he's not really paying 15. It's 15 on what he just bought, including this man's markup, less what this man paid. So he now has it. So it's far more expensive. He sells it here. He builds all that VAT and profit into this, and the consumer pays it. So he got his tax back. The consumer holds the tax and no one gives him anything back. And the bottom line is the wholesaler's tax and his tax on his profits, the retailer's tax and his tax on his profits, all get borne by the consumer. What kind of tax is that? That makes no sense. It makes absolutely no sense.